In Maple, there are three types of quotation marks. Double quotes are used to create strings. A string is not a name. You can assign a value to a name, but not to a string. You can assign a string to a name. Back quotes can be used to create a name that would otherwise be invalid. For example, you can create a name containing a space and then use it as you would a regular name. Single forward quotes are used to prevent evaluation. So notice in this example, the variable v with quotation marks around it returns the name itself and not its value. Single quotes are most commonly used with option names to avoid errors in case a value had previously been assigned to that name. So in summary, there are three different types of quotation marks in Maple. Double quotes for strings, back quotes to create names, and forward quotes to prevent evaluation.